thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari, Gyang, the mom on point, and in this video today we are going to learn how to monetize your knowledge, how to monetize your passion, how to monetize your talent, how to monetize your skills, and much more. But before we go into details, please, if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like, and if you have any question concerning this video, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section of this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that you get notification on our next video on entrepreneurship, on online business, on how you can monetize your passion or your knowledge or your experience. One of the greatest way to make money from your knowledge or from your skill is basically by sharing it on places that people will be willing to pay for it. It's one thing for you to have a skills or your knowledge or your experience, and it's another thing for you to know where and how to sell it. How do you package this information? Where are the people that are interested in this? And if you are watching me right now and you are wondering, you don't have anything to share, you don't have anything to do, I want you to close your eyes for a second and imagine the number of people that are going to Google, to Facebook, to YouTube, searching for the information only you have. And how can you bring your knowledge to table? The first thing you should always have at the back of your mind, if you want to monetize your knowledge or you want to monetize your passion, is you have to become a human intelligence that computer can't replace. It's very important. And you may be wondering, everything is Googleable. How can I become a human intelligence that computer can't replace? Your experience. I used to tell people this. Your experience is your most greatest asset. Learn to monetize it. The reason you pass through that particular experience, the reason why you learn that particular skill, you pass through that particular method, is not just for you alone, because there are a lot of people that should benefit from what you have, from what you have learned, from your experience. It's very important. Your experience is your most greatest asset. Learn to monetize it. Imagine the people that are running up and down searching for information only you have and only you can offer. And God allow you to pass through that so that others can also benefit from you. You owe the next generation your contribution to mankind. What are you contributing? How can you help others? How can you offer this package and much more? Just stay tuned and watch till the end of this video. Please don't forget to give me a like if you are finding this video helpful. The second thing you need to consider if you want to monetize your knowledge, your experience, your talent is ensure that your niche should be what adds value to people. You must know that whatever you are doing, whatever you want to share, whatever you want to monetize should be something that is adding value. The reason why you pay doctors is because they share value, they share their value with you. The reason why you pay teachers is because they share value with you. So what valuable thing, what valuable information, what valuable product can you produce? What is that particular thing? How valuable it is? How can you package it? You must ensure that your niche, if you are watching me right now and you don't know what a niche is, your niche is your topic, and I have a video. The link to that video is in the description of this video. I have a video on how to carve a niche for yourself online. So if you don't know how to carve a niche for yourself, you need to watch that video so that you come back to this one and continue. It's very important for you to know how to carve your niche so that it will position you as an expert in your particular space or in your industry. So adding value is very, very important. Ensure that whatever you are doing is adding value to people. So that is the two things I want to share from the start. Become the human intelligence that computer can't replace by bringing your experience into it and your talent, and then ensure that your niche is something that adds value to people. So now, how can you monetize this experience? How can you monetize this talent? How can you monetize this gift? First of all, you need to position yourself out there. It's not enough for you to know something and then you keep it to yourself, or maybe you make a post only once in a while about it and you'll be wondering why people are not buying from you. So if you want to start selling your product or your services online and you want to attract customers to yourself, I also have a video complete package, and the link is in the description of this video, is on how to attract buyers online for any kind of business, be it online business, be it offline business, physical business, services, your product, whatever it is, how to attract people, because it's very important these days. People no longer buy products or services, they buy feelings. So how do you position yourself? How can you attract them to you? So it's very important to note that now that you know you have talent, or you have knowledge, or you have experience that you want to monetize, and you know that you have to use your experience and add a little more of your awesomeness to the table, so that you can become the human intelligence that computer can't replace, and then you have to bring something valuable to the table. It is also important to know how you can package this information, how you can package this product, how you can locate these people, how can they pay you for it. The first place I always tell people about, like me for instance, I always, anything I talk about here, I ensure that it's something that I have personally experienced and I want to share with you, is becoming a freelancer. If you don't know anything about freelancer, please Google it, how to become a freelancer. A freelancer is basically someone that can offer a service for that particular thing at that particular moment. That's the basic definition of becoming a freelancer. So you can decide to become a freelancer on social media, and the best place to start is going to fiverr.com. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. You go to fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is an online marketplace where you can sell just about anything. You can decide to put it, if you can do a graphic design, you can put it out there that you are a graphic designer, and the least that anyone would pay you for it is $5. The least is $5. You can charge $20, $100, whatsoever amount, but it must not be less than $5. And there are a lot of people that are making a hell lot of money on Fiverr. And another side again is Upwork. I'm going to drop the link also, fiverr.com and Upwork. Upwork too is an online marketplace where you can monetize your talent, you can monetize your experience. There are a lot of people that are searching just about anything. Imagine before I come online, before I start this video right now, I also used to provide answers on Quora.com. A question that was forwarded to me to see if I can answer is, someone is asking on how she can commit suicide. So you can imagine how crucial it can be. So, and imagine if you were once depressed and you were able to overcome it, and you are able to package information about that. Imagine how many people that are searching for that information, but because they couldn't get it, they are now looking for a way to commit suicide. It's very important. So that's why I always talk about this. Your experience is your most greatest assets. Learn to monetize it. Another awesome place of monetizing your talent or your experience, like to me, aside from becoming a freelancer, the next thing is writing a book. The first time I put on my DM, and again I put it on my Facebook profile, that everybody have within them the ability to write. Some people were like, is it possible? Yes, it is. That your experience, you can package it as ebook. You can write it as information marketing. As an information, as a e-course. You can do a video. There are a lot of ways you can package your information, and there are so many people out there looking for that particular information. So you can decide to write it and package it as a book. Ebook is one of the best way of monetizing your talent, monetizing your experience. You can share about it. Like, I have a friend, Goal Getter Queen. She decided to start sharing her experience on social media. Started sharing how she went to Thailand and how her experience went down, how she suffered, how she struggled. The moment she started sharing it, people started connecting with her, and she decided to package this information as ebook. And the very first day, you can't imagine how many people came to buy her book because they want to learn from her experience. This is awesome. So one of the the greatest way to monetize your talent is packaging it as information, as an ebook. And you can write and publish book. In case you want to write and publish, I have a book. Self-publish your book like a pro. Even if you don't have any idea about writing and publishing, by the time you have that book, you will be able to do that. And if you are not the do it myself type, you can chat me up so that I can coach you one-on-one on how you can package your information, you can write and self-publish your book on Amazon and other places. So it's very important. The third place, or the third thing you can do to monetize your talent, is coaching. Like me, I have a lot of experience on online business, and I am online business coach for 3 to 4 years now, I've been coaching people one-on-one about online business, writing and publishing book, and how they can monetize their passion. Coaching is something that is so awesome. You get to know people one-on-one. You can do it by group. So whatever you are experienced, let's say for instance you have a particular talent or you have a particular knowledge and you started offering for people on Fiverr and Upwork. From getting 1 or 2 clients you work with, and you, by talking about it on social media, you are able to get enough more experience with your personal experience. You package it as ebook, you write and publish that book, and people begin to see you as a person of authority on that particular subject, and they start buying from you. From there you convert them to become a coach. You start coaching people one-on-one. You can decide to do it one-on-one, you can decide to do a group coaching, and much more. There is a lot of opportunity out there. The most important thing here is you need to position yourself. It's not all about like as easy as maybe Mom on Point have said it, let me just go and write a book. There is a process to that. That is why it's very important you read or you watch, especially that particular video on how to attract buyers online, just about on any business, how you can sell to anybody. Is very, very important, because just as I've said earlier, people no longer buy products but they buy feelings. It's very important. Another thing that you can use to monetize your knowledge or your passion is by making a topic, by tutoring on a topic. The moment, like me, everything will go one step at a time. After I've written a book, I became online business coach. Before you know it, speaking gig started coming, be it online and offline. So I started tutoring on a particular topic on online business. Sometimes I will go to speak in that event. I can do I will do the video coverage and package it as information and sell it as CD, and sometimes I even give it out for free to my higher clients, to my higher paying clients. So there are a lot of things you can do to monetize your passion. There's a lot of things you can do to monetize your experience. Don't just limit yourself. All you have is enough. And again, if at all what I talk about here is there's none of it that resonates with you, one thing is this: it could be that you are passionate about a particular thing. You can come on YouTube, search video, learn a particular skill, practicalize it, and become perfect on it. And even if you are not yet perfect, after learning a lot, you can decide to have a coach and learn a bit more, or go to an event and learn one-on-one and start selling and marketing it. There is the sky is so big enough for us to fly all. There's a lot of opportunity out there. I always tell people, if your business is not on the internet, it will soon become a dinosaur. There's a lot much more here. Don't think because Mr. Soso have been doing it for several years now, me that I'm coming now, how can I get audience? How can I get clients? It is not that. Don't come with that mindset. There's always something you can do. There's always someone out there that is waiting for you to say a word. Have you noticed that sometimes you can even read a particular word over and over without even getting remorse, but because you hear it from a particular person, you will immediately resonate with it and it will change your life for good. So imagine so many people that are attached to that particular thing that is only you that can offer, and imagine how they have been perishing, they have been going astray because you did not come on board to share with them. So your experience is your most greatest asset. Learn to monetize it. Until I come your way again in the next video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed, and like this video if you have not yet liked it. And if you have a question, don't forget to ask. Until I come your way again in the next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.